The very first thing that you need to do to improve upon your calculations is to learn tables. Okay, right? Now, in tables also identify the categories, category of easy numbers, difficult numbers, very difficult numbers, and so on. Let's do it one by one. First of all, tables from 1 to 10, okay, then 11, 15, 20 and 25. These are the numbers in which these are very easy category numbers. Okay, simply memorize them without any logic or method or shortcut or anything. Simply memorize them. If you are not able to do this, then perhaps CAT preparation is not for you. As simple as that. Then comes the next part, the next level, the ones that can be managed with a little bit of effort. So once you are done with these tables, try to learn the tables of 12, 14, 16, 18, 22 and 24. Here it is very important to understand the relations between them. If you have done the table of 6, right, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36. You need to realize that this number 12, 24 and 36, so every alternate number in the table of 6 will be also appearing in the table of 12. You can check that. 6 2s are 12, 12 1s are 12. 6 4s are 24, 12 2s are 24. 6 6 are 36, 12 3s are 36 and so on. So at least half of the table of 12 you already know if you have done the table of 6, and then the next half you have to complete. Okay, same goes with 14. If you have done the table of 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28 and so on, you already know some of the numbers of table of 14, like 14 2s are 28, which is 7 4s are. Okay, try to see the relation, right? 14 3s are is 42. Okay, 14 3s are is 42. So 42 is actually 7 into 6. 14 4s is 56, that is actually 7 into 8. So this is how you can reduce a little bit of work. Say for example, 22 is like amazingly easy if you have done the table of 11. 18, you see, 18 1s are 18, that is 9 2s are. Okay, 18 2s are 36, that is 9 4s are. Right, 18 3s are 54, that is 9 6s are. So this way you can go ahead and complete the table of 18. Similarly, once you do the table of 12, you can also do the table of 24. So this was the very easy category. This is the easy category. Now let's go to a little more difficult one, so to say. Let's say table of 21. We know 21 is equal to 20 plus 1. If I want to do the table of 21, what do I need to do? I need to do the table of 20 plus 1. How do I write it? Can I write table of 20? 21s are 20, 22s are 40. Okay. And then we have 1 2s are 2. So 40 plus 2. This is 21 2s are, right? Which is 42. Similarly, 23s are 60, 1 3s are 3. 24s are 80, 1 4s are 4. So this is 63, this is 84 and so on and so forth. So this is 21 3s are, this is 21 4s are. See, the idea is that if you do not want to sit with your pen and paper at one place and you do not want to do this, then forget about it. You can't learn it. As simple as that. You need to sit with it. You need to spend some 10-15 minutes on this and see how it goes. After doing it 2 times with your own hands, you will be able to pick up really nicely and easily. All right. Similarly, once if you can see 21, this exactly the same thing happens with 19. 19 is 20 minus 1. So if I want to write the table of 19, I'll write the table of 20 and 1 and subtract. So the next one will be 40 minus 2, which is 38, that is 19 2s are. Next one will be 60 minus 3, that is 57, that is 19 3s are. Is it really difficult? 80 minus 4, that is 76. 100 minus 5, that is 95. 26 are 120, 16 are 6, so it is 114, which is 19 6 are. 27s are 140, 17s are 7, so it is equal to 133. 28s are 160, 29s 18s are 8, that is 152, which is 19 8s are. Okay, then 180 minus 9, that is 171, 19 9s are, and so on. 19 10s are straight away 190. So the point is, you need to do it at least 2 to 3 times to understand the dimension, the dynamics, whatever it is. right? Now, so this is like easy category, not very difficult, so to say. Now what are the numbers left? If you check, now the tables that you are left with is, so to say, this is, let's say these are the only two things that I can put in difficult category, right? After this, you can also go ahead and try the table of 31 and 29. This is 30 plus 1 and 30 minus 1. Calculation is not an event, it's a process you can keep doing. It won't happen that if you have done it today and you'll remember for the entire life. That is not going to happen. It will also it will also depend on the number of times that you have repeated it. Okay, the more you repeat, the better the recall value will be. Now suppose the difficult or the more difficult ones, just check how many are left. So work on them individually. So more difficult ones are, I suppose we have done already till 12. So 13, 14 we have seen with the table of 7, 15 is easy, 16 we have seen with table of 8 or yes, and 17, 18 we have already seen, 22 we have seen, 23 these are the only three that are left. So this way, and if you want to work a little extra, if you have done the table of 13, you can work for 26, right? You can see 27 with the help of table of 9 you can do, 28 with the table of 14 you can do that, 29 and 31 we can do with this. So these are the categories that you can see. You can break into parts, and then one by one you can go ahead. If you simply say as a blanket statement that I am not able to do it, then there is some uselessness in you also. Okay, so the point is, see, there is a very simple thing. You cannot build the entire thing in one day. Spend 15 minutes 3 to 4 times every week, and this I am saying every week without any holiday. If you do that, then there is no reason that you become a master of calculation or you don't become a master of calculation in 5 weeks. Okay, provided you have done it for 5 weeks, every week 3 to 4 times. Okay, so I think this is how it has to be done.